Thanks to the late Anthony Bourdain, sisig has become internationally popular, and we're adding a twist. We're making Tinapa Sisig, a healthier option. You're watching the Filipino food series. Let's join Romulo at his small kitchen. Warm greetings, your kuya here. We're cooking tonight. I'm boiling here bulalo, but that's not what we're presenting. I'm cooking sisig, and it's not the classic pork or panga ng baboy, not that, but it's a healthier option. It's Tinapa Sisig. I have here a big or a giant mackerel tinapa. It's easier to prepare than the small ones. Join me and let's explore how to prepare a healthier alternative to this sisig recipe. By the way, this is officially a salad dish. I'm gonna fry this as a first procedure while our voiceover will tell us the rest of the ingredients. You might need a sizzling dish for the restaurant experience: onion, garlic, pepper, and lemon, mayonnaise, soy sauce, and salt and pepper. We'll just have to chop the onions. They don't have to be finely chopped. Random would be fine as well, like what I'm doing here. It's suggested to have the garlic finely chopped. And just two, if you are very sensitive to spices, just two, or even one. Let's prepare the lemon. I'm happy because I get a chance to use my, what's this, squeezer from France. It's difficult to make this crispy if I fry this entirely. It's big, so I might as well butterfly it to make both sides crispy. That's what we want, crispy sisig. And the bone as well. I did not mention about the oil, but of course it's needed. I hope you don't mind my attire. It's high summer, it's really hot in here. 27 degrees inside. I really love the smell of tinapa frying. This should be crispy. It's brown now. Look how lovely they are. Usually we would have to cool this down, but I don't have time. So I'll be using fork to do the task. No, the fingers is too hot. I'll use fork. I don't have a camera in front, no space for the cameras. Now we have a close-up. But my hand interferes. It's very tempting to just eat this with tomato and rice and forget about the sisig. But I have prepared the ingredients. Yeah, we should also remove the bones. Let's be good now. I'm gonna use a different pan. And to reduce splatter, it's good to use a bigger wok. This big. So the splatters would be caught by the side walls of the wok. Ideally, Stir fry now. Directly followed by the onions. This brings back memories. This tinapa is the favorite of my father. And the fish? Ideally, it should be finer than this. But I prefer a chunky sisig than the fine, as if chewed by someone. I'll be adding just a bit of soy sauce, just a bit. And salt. Pepper. And we add the lemon juice. And the mayonnaise. And normally the fish is already fatty, and yet we add mayonnaise. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. I purposely use this not to be generous with mayonnaise. And the chili. I'm gonna heat this dish while picking calamansi. And welcome to my balcony. This is a summer place of my calamansi, where it bears fruit. Just some, this shit. Now for the restaurant experience, we'll serve our sisig. Butter on the dish, and we'll add, or we'll pour, the stir-fried sisig. And the egg. What an angle. Yes, the egg. I don't know why I don't hear the sizzle. It's sizzling, but it's not noisy. Let's serve it. And we'll add our very fresh calamansi. Ta-da! This is really sizzling hot. Sizzling hot. Sisig, tinapang sisig, or sisig tinapa. Thank you for joining me here at Channel 1. So this is our pulutan, a healthier option to pork, tinapa or fish sisig. Let's serve it. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan ng ating cameraman. Yeah, look at that. There's a ritual in mixing the egg. Usually the waiters are paid to do that. I don't even know if that's needed. So we'll do it. Let's mix the egg. For the finishing touches, we'll add some calamansi juice or Philippine lime. Stronger than the usual. I'm really curious. Oi, I like it, really. Who could have expected? To be honest, I think this calls for beer. Thank you for joining your career here today. It's Sisig Tinapa, you can do it at home. And if you enjoyed what you just seen, don't forget to subscribe and watch our upcoming videos. This summer season, Wednesdays from the garden and Fridays from here at our small kitchen. Until next time, Joseph.